We all are born into the sinful nature of flesh. The because the sinful nature there is they just be in error for the Adam and Eve. That's why we all had the sinful nature on the flesh. There is liberal against the Jesus Christ. The sinful the flesh there will never be obeyed the Jesus Christ. Not to no way he be follow the Christ. Because the sinful nature there is evil, wicked and liberal against the Jesus Christ. There is no other there is no other ways that we can be leading for the sinful nature of us. Only the Jesus he could be set us for the sinful. He could bring the curse on the sinful nature, the flesh. Only the Jesus he could set us for the point of sin. You will just calling out the Jesus and just see his mercy that we shall be saved by the Jesus and be walking in the true freedom of Christ. In the Son of God has set us free, there we shall be free indeed. There is the splendid truth on Christ, for we all must be accepted. Just see after the Jesus cry just see after the Jesus for his supernatural power, there we shall be walking in the true freedom of Christ and be walking in the lioness. May Jesus bless you.